on track po ba tayo na may makukulong daw ngayong Pasko?
Opo. On track naman tayo, sir, no? That's one thing I could say. Siyempre, klaruhin ko lang po anong ibig sabihin na makukulong. Iba po kasi ang pagkulong sa isang individual sa conviction. Kasi you could be convicted, arrested for that conviction, and detained perpetually depending what crime that's been charged of you. Iba naman po ang pagsampa sa court kasi pag file po ng information sa korte, may kapangyarihan agad ang korte na mag-issue na warrant of arrest to acquire jurisdiction over you and to ensure your participation in the trial. No, so saan po tayo ngayon? Ang tanong, nasa preliminary investigation stage at kapag nakapaghanap po kami ng sapat na ebidensya to file that information in court, that court can immediately issue a warrant of arrest at makukulong na po agad ang individual na yon, subject to bail proceedings kung applicable. Again, kung bailable or non-bailable ang offense. So, kung just to answer your question po, no, sir, yes, we are on track. In fact, we have more than, under the rules, we have 60 days Pero nilalaban po namin na by the middle of December, makapag-file lang po kami information in court. And so far, we're on the way there. No, that's one thing I could say. In fact, sir, ako, ombudsman po nakapag-file na sa Sandigan Bayan
Yes, yes.